Today is September 4th. Just woke up. 2 nights ago, I started having my chest, like my heart was beating a little too fast. And it just did it again a little bit. It's like my heart beats and like double beats and then it beats. And then last night it was doing it a lot more. I got a little nervous. I ended up calling the doctor today.
I'm trying to make $1 million before I'm 30 years old, and this is where we ended up last video. It hasn't been easy recovering from shoulder surgery last month, but I seem to be running into more health issues. My heart has been acting up over the past few days, and after calling 5 different doctor's offices, we finally had some traction to be seen by someone. I just got off the phone after waiting for like 50 minutes, talking to a lot of different people, trying to figure out if any doctor can see me. It's like impossible to have a doctor see you if you're, I guess, a new patient.
Okay, because after 3 years you become inactive and it doesn't show that he is on your chart as a provider. Unfortunately, Jeremy, I would actually have to ask Dr. if he would be able to take you back on as a patient.
I had a doctor. I didn't see him for over 3 years. They kicked me out of the patient portal, so I'm no longer a patient for them. So I asked if I can be seen by him again, and they said, we don't know, we need to message him. It's been 4 hours and I haven't heard anything, so I had to start calling. I'm having heart problems. I'm seeing the doctor tomorrow. I'm excited about it, and I just hope this is nothing, and it's just stress. I'm trying to stay stress-free, but it is almost impossible not to. We see someone tomorrow. So why have I been so stressed? Long story short, at work I got in trouble with my manager and my job was dangled in front of me, though I had the highest and second highest performance on my team over the last 2 months. Literally just look at the numbers. I took a picture after getting in trouble. Like, I have the second highest numbers on my team the day I came back from surgery. I missed 2 weeks and I still had the second highest numbers. This really got to me because I thought I was doing well, but not in the eyes of my higher ups. I started overthinking and stressing out about this, and I really don't have a lot of stress relievers right now because I'm so fresh out of surgery. Working out has been nearly impossible 2 weeks post-operation. Oh yeah, and wanna know the kicker? I got put into a meeting and was told about my performance the day I got back from a 2-week-long recovery from work since I had shoulder surgery. Like, you couldn't have told me before surgery, like, why the day I got back?
There's a process with this. So timing does suck 1000%. Yes, it does suck knowing you've just come back, unfortunately. But this is when it was approved. And I wanted to make sure this was addressed before we sat on it any longer. And then another week goes by and it's like, oh, hey, Jeremy, by the way.
The stress from quote-unquote one more mistake of getting fired and not getting payments for my 2-week leave for my benefits had me really upset and no way to let stress out. And if I got fired now, 2 weeks into a 1-year-long recovery, I don't know what other job I could do. A lot was piling up and I couldn't handle it, and I think my heart started to take a toll, which was super scary. Things today have been going pretty bad, but I just got an email which says, boom. Look at that. Look at that. Refund confirmation from something medical. I don't know what it is, but let's take a look. Boom. Oh, shit. So I got a refund for $828.45. I honestly have no clue why, but I'll take it. Get $828 back. I'm very excited about it. So it definitely helped turn the day around a little bit. Just got out of the doctor's office, but got the heart scanned. Everything seems to be going okay. They do think it's stress related. Very stressed out at a lot of stuff with my personal job and all that stuff. So still having the heart flutters. They said that's okay. Those are seen as premature beats. They said premature beats are normal, but they said it can be induced by like stress. And because I have the hypermobility in my joints, they want to look at like my heart chamber or whatever and all that stuff, like connecting it. So that'll be happening here in about a month. And then I'm going to be sent home with a heart monitor for 2 days. And then they're gonna scan my heart. Hopefully everything's okay. I just got back from the doctor's office, but you can have heart palpitations and premature beats. That's something very normal. God, I can't, if I talk too fast or with too much energy. So let me just calm it down. God damn it, okay, I need to chill. just got 3 in a row. Okay. I'm good. They cleared me to start working out again, which is really good. I was a little nervous working out would make it worse. They actually said it would make it better getting into a faster rhythm, and that could really help. But yeah, I got some tests coming up. I have no idea how much those are gonna cost, but I don't care, if I'm gonna be real. My health comes before anything and everything. You do not jeopardize your health if it costs money. You will figure it out. When my heart starts beating irregularly, it's time to see the doctor. And I hope everyone else is doing the same thing, that like if something is not right, take action. Don't wait. Just do it. You'll figure it out. Money comes and goes, but your health is everything. Be overexerting myself for things that what feel like out of my control. We'll see. We will see. I don't know. So they had to run this like EKG machine thing where they basically had to put like a bunch of like things around my heart and test it and all that stuff. And I'm a hairy guy, right? So they couldn't stick them to me. So I actually look really funky right now. So to stick these things to me, now I look really stupid. They had to shave here, 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 and here. And I look ridiculous now. But look, your health comes over everything. So I might look really stupid. That looks so dumb. Look at that. After all this stress, I really needed to do something fun. Some friends invited us to a birthday dinner and hang out, and I think that was exactly what I needed.
You have to act like the camera's not there.
Is this for your OnlyFans?
The food was pretty good, and this was the only other time, other than that video game tournament, since I've left the house for something fun since surgery. We got to catch up with some hometown friends I've known since elementary school. Got to play some games at an adult arcade and enjoy the night. I've been so stuck in my own head lately, and being around the ones you love can always help you get out of a funk. Like I've mentioned before, everything isn't always about money, and you need to set aside time for the things you like to do. Treat yourself every once in a while, get out there, and enjoy yourself.
The specialists, they don't know what it is. A broken heart.